Hey guys, this is Danish and welcome back to my channel. I don't like doing these tutorials, but me being a Spark owner, it came to my attention that many people's Sparks had this issue where the drone won't maintain altitude. This will be a brief tutorial on fixing that problem. If you are new to my channel and like my work, a like and a sub will be appreciated. So the fix I came up with by gathering intel on the web was that the ESC wires were interfering with the main motherboard on the Spark. These wires are to be kept apart from the main processor on the drone. So I came up with an experimental fix and a permanent fix. You need at least mediocre skills to pull this off, or you might permanently damage your drone. So here we go. I know it looks a little cliche, but it does work, and it might work even for you. And now the permanent fix. Step 1. Google the web about how to dismantle a Spark. Step 2. Turn the motherboard upside down. Step 3. Put adhesive tape under it. The wires running to the motors can be clearly seen. These are the ESC wires. The tape is to shield the board from those wires.